So children, today we are going to discuss about salts. Today we are going to discuss about salts. What is a salt? So children, if they ask one more question, what is salt? You can say acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Not only like this, when acid react with metal also you will get salt. When acid react with carbonates also you will get salt. When acid react with bicarbonate also you will get salt. Anything. Salt is a component which is formed from metallic part and non-metallic part. Okay, salt, every salt will have one metallic part and one non-metallic part. Okay, in simple words, if you want, you write just acid is formed by the reaction of acid with base. Sorry, salt is formed by the reaction of acid with base. You write down if they ask in the exam. Okay, what is a salt means? Substance which is formed on reaction of acid with base. You write down. Okay, children. So salt. Salt means not your table salt, children. Salt means table salt is also salt. It is one among so many salts. How many varieties of salts are there? There are three varieties of salts. Please see here, children. This all things you copy in notebook. Whatever I say you that you copy in textbook. This all things you copy in your notebook, children. Okay. What is a salt? What are the three varieties of salts? First one is acidic salt. Second one is basic salt. Third one is neutral salt. Acidic salt, basic salt, neutral salt. Okay, children. So, what is acidic salt? Any salt which is formed from strong acid and weak base. Children, acid plus base gives salt plus water. No? Strong acid and weak base, because acid is strong, you get acidic salt. Okay, children. Strong acid and weak base, you will get acidic salt. Okay, children. Next one. What is basic salt? Any salt which is formed from strong base and weak acid is called basic salt, because base is strong, no? So that's why it's called basic salt. And last but not least, neutral. Anything which is formed from strong acid and strong base is also neutral, or weak acid and weak base are also neutral salt. So children, three varieties of salts, basically acidic, basic, and neutral. Acidic salt means strong acid, weak base. Basic salt means strong base, weak acid. Neutral salt means strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base. This is how salts are formed. So children, to explain this, now I will give you some 15 varieties of different varieties of salts. In every salt, I will say what is acidic component, what is basic component, and what type of salt it is. Okay, children. In every salt, I will discuss what is acidic component, what is basic component from which it is coming, and what type of salt. Acidic salt means what? It is formed from strong acid and weak base. Basic salt means strong base and weak acid. So strong acid, strong base also give neutral salt. Weak acid and weak base also will give neutral salt. Okay, children. So now I will discuss some salts, children. Okay, children. Now you're writing textbook. Whatever I'm discussing, now you're writing textbook, page number 28 and 29. Activities 2.13 and 2.14. One by one, I will be discussing. How I am discussing like that only you write down. First one, children, I want to discuss potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate, children, K2SO4. Okay, in exam they'll ask what is the acidic and basic components of potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate is coming from which base, children? K means KOH. It is coming from which base? KOH. And which acid? SO4 will be present in H2SO4. Okay, anyway, for everything I will not show, only for these things I am showing. KOH plus H2SO4 gives what salt, children? K2SO4 plus H2O. Okay, so acid plus base gives salt plus water. So children, here, this is strong base. You will get doubt how to identify strong bases, sir. Top uh, in your activity series, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead. Top three are very, very strong, children. And acids also you can easily say sulfuric acid is very strong acid. How to define strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base? I will say later classes. Okay. Potassium hydroxide is strong base. This is strong acid. So any salt which is forming from strong base and strong acid is neutral salt. Neutral salt, like this. So children, in exam, 3 marks question will come, children. Potassium sulfate is coming from which acid, which base, and what type of salt? 3 marks question. You should say it is coming from potassium hydroxide base, it is coming from sulfuric acid, And because both are strong, you'll get neutral salt. 3 marks you'll get, children, for this one. Okay, so how I am showing, like that only you keep writing in the page numbers 28 and 29 if your textbook, children. How I am saying, like that only write, so that for reference it will be easy for you during exams. Okay, first one, potassium sulfate is over. Those who didn't understand, I'll keep discussing 15 salts, try to understand. Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. It is coming from which base, children? NaOH, metallic part. And non-metallic part, it is coming from which acid, children? SO4 is present in sulfuric acid. Okay, all top metals are strong bases. All top metals are strong bases. And of course, sulfuric acid is a strong acid also. Because it is forming from strong base and strong acid, this is neutral salt. Strong acid and strong base, this is also neutral salt. Okay, children? Those who didn't understand, thus, at least, next one you see, children. Calcium sulfate, CaSO4. Please, children, listen. CaSO4, calcium sulfate. Which base it is coming? Calcium hydroxide. Which acid it is coming? Sulfuric acid. Means this salt is coming on the reaction of sulfuric acid with calcium hydroxide. Okay, children. So I told you, top are strong acids only, children. So this is strong base. This is also strong acid. Because it is coming from strong base and strong acid, this comes out to be neutral salt. Okay, children. Neutral salt. Neutral salt. You are able to understand? Okay, children. Next one. Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate. Children, magnesium sulfate. MgSO4. It is coming from which base, children? Magnesium hydroxide. It is coming from which acid? Sulfuric acid. Children, only top three are very strong, children. Remaining all are weak. This is weak base. Because magnesium hydroxide is famously called as milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia, when you have acidity, we will drink. Strong bases, so we won't drink, no, we will drink this also. And sulfuric acid, no one will drink, it is a strong acid. Because it is coming from strong acid and weak base, can anyone say what type of salt it is, children? Can anyone say? Very good. It is acidic salt. Very good. Because it is coming from strong acid and weak base, it is called acidic salt. Magnesium sulfate is acidic salt. You should identify which base it is coming. 1 mark. Change the line. Second line, you should write sulfuric acid. Change the line. And you acidic salt. Reason? Because it's coming from strong acid and weak base. So you should write the reasons. You should change the lines. You should write in points, children. You should not write big paragraphs for your answer. Everything should be in points. Okay, children, those who did not understand, at least see this one, children. Copper sulfate. Please copy down in textbook directly. This is coming from which base, children? Copper hydroxide. This is coming from which acid, children? Sulfuric acid. Copper is very, very weak base, children. And of course, this is a strong acid. And salt coming from strong acid and weak base is called acidic salt. This is acidic salt. Okay, children? I hope you are able to understand, children. Next one. Sodium chloride. Next one I'm writing, children. Sodium chloride. NaCl. Sodium chloride. It is coming from which base, children? NaOH. Which acid? HCl. Top bases are very, very strong bases, children. Sodium hydroxide is very, very strong base, children. Okay. HCl is also strong acid. Strong acid and strong base. What type of salt you will get, children? Neutral salt you will get. Neutral. Okay, children. You will get neutral salt. Next one. Okay, children, next one. So next one is sodium nitrate. Please, children, keep copying in the textbook. Neatly, sodium nitrate, NaNO3. This is coming from which base, children? NaOH. This is coming from which acid? HNO3, nitric acid. This is strong base. Of course, nitric acid is a strong acid. Strong base and strong acid. What type of salt you will get? Neutral salt. Simple. Like this, you should be in a position to assess whether it is strong, acidic salt, basic salt, or neutral salt, children. You should be in a position to assess that. Okay, so sodium nitrate is coming from which base? Means NaOH. Which acid? Means HNO3. How you will come to know? NO3 is present in nitric acid. No, you should be in a position to assess. Okay, so nitric acid. Next one. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate. Children, sodium carbonate is coming from which base, children? NaOH. Which acid? H2CO3, carbonic acid. NaOH is strong base, children. Okay. H2CO3 is weak base. H2CO3 is a weak base, children. This, I'm sorry. Weak acid. I'm very sorry, children. This is weak acid. Then you'll get that, sir, how to know which is strong acid and which is weak acid, children. I will say that in separate class. Till then, I'll give small hint, but you should not write that answer. Carbonic acid we will drink, no, children. Soda we will drink, no. Strong acid means we will not drink, no. Weak acid. But in exam you should not write like that. We are drinking, that's why it is weak acid. We should not write like that. How to write strong acid and strong base, I will tell you later, children. Just remember, carbonic acid is a weak acid. Weak acid and strong base. What type of salt you are expecting here, children? Anyone?
Basic salt, sir.
Basic salt. Basic salt. Because it is coming from strong base and weak acid, it is a basic salt. Okay, children. Next one. Next one, children. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. NH4 is coming from which base? Ammonium hydroxide. Cl is present in which acid? HCl, of course, we know that. Ammonium is very weak base, children. Ammonium hydroxide is very, very, very weak base. And HCl is strong acid. Of course, we know it is a strong acid. Strong acid and weak base. What type of salt you will get, children?
Basic.
Acidic salt. Strong acid, no? So acidic salt. You should be in a position to assess which is strong acid, which is weak acid, which is a strong base, which is a weak base. You should be in a position to write. So any salt they will give, they'll ask you three questions. It is coming from which base? It is coming from which acid? And what type of salt is that? You should be in a position to answer this. Okay? Next one. Next one, children. Okay, next one. What is the next one is? Please see here, children. Next one we'll discuss. Just give me a second, children. Sorry. Potassium nitrate, KNO3. Potassium nitrate. It is coming from which base, children? KOH. It is coming from which acid? HNO3. This is strong base. This is weak acid. Anything which is coming from strong base and weak acid is what type of salt, children? Basic salt. Because strong base, no? Strong base and weak acid. So it is a basic salt. Okay, children. I hope you are able to understand. Okay, children. 1 second. Just give me a second. All of you mute yourself, children. Mute your audios. Next one. What is the next one? Potassium nitrate is over. Aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride. Please see here, children. Aluminium chloride. AlCl3. Aluminium is coming from which base, children? Anyone?
AlOH taken twice.
Very good. Aluminium hydroxide. Cl is coming from HCl. This is a weak base. Okay, only top three: potassium, sodium, and calcium. In fact, potassium and sodium are compulsory strongest. And HCl is strong acid. Because it is coming from strong acid and weak base, what type of salt is this, children? Acidic salt.
Acidic salt.
Acidic salt. Okay, children. After aluminium chloride, children, the next one we'll see zinc sulfate. So many salts I'm telling, children. Okay, now you should understand what is a salt. Salt means don't think your table salt which we put in curries. All these are salts. Salts come from acids and bases when they react. This is coming from which base, children? Zinc hydroxide. This is coming from which acid? H2SO4. This is a weak base and this is strong acid. Because it is coming from strong acid and weak base, this is your acidic salt again. Okay, children? Zinc sulfate is an acidic salt. Next one, copper sulfate. I hope everyone are copying, children. Please keep copying, children. Copper sulfate. Now I'll write all small children. Copper sulfate, yeah, because you understood, no? So it is coming from which base, children? Copper hydroxide. It is coming from which acid? Sulfuric acid. And this is weak base. This is strong acid. So it is acidic salt. It is what type of salt, children? Acidic salt. Okay, children. Copper sulfate. Next one, after copper sulfate, sodium acetate. CH3COONA. This is coming from which base, children? NaOH. This is coming from which acid? Anyone? CH3COO is coming from which acid, children?
AH3COOH.
Acetic acid. Acetic acid. Acetic acid is weak acid. Acetic acid is weak acid. Vinegar we eat, no? So it is very weak acid. And this is strong base. Strong base and weak acid. So this is basic salt. Strong base, no? Strong base and weak acid. So this is basic salt. Next one, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. This is coming from which base, children? NaOH. This is coming from which acid? H2CO3, carbonic acid. Of course, potassium, sodium are strong bases. I already told so many times. And carbonic acid is very weak acid. I told you soda we drink that. If it is weak only, we will drink much. And strong base we will not drink. It will burn our intestines. Strong base and weak acid. So this is acidic salt. What type of salt is this, children? Acidic salt. Next one. What is the next one? We have sodium carbonate. Sodium hydrogen
Sir,
carbonate. NaHCO3. Wait, Nana, please. 1 second. Wait. NaHCO3. Okay, children. NaHCO3 is coming from which base, children? NaOH. And which acid? H2CO3. This is strong base and this is weak acid. Because it is strong base and weak acid, this is also basic salt. Okay, just now someone was asking why bases won't react with, children. No, no, 1 second. This is basic salt. No, no, this is basic salt. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. This is basic salt. Because strong base, weak acid, basic salt. Strong base, weak acid, basic salt. Children, someone was asking me why many of the carbonates and bicarbonates don't react with bases. Means many of the carbonates and bicarbonates, children, are basic in nature. Bases won't react with bases. Simple answer. Many of the carbonates and bicarbonates are basic in nature. Bases won't react with the bases. This is how you have to assess from which acid it is coming and from which base it is coming and what type of salt. Okay, last time I'm saying, children, again, strong acid and strong base, neutral salt. Weak acid and weak base, neutral salt. Strong acid and weak base, acidic salt. Weak acid and strong base, basic salt. Salt. I'm talking about salt. What is a salt? Substance which is formed by the reaction of acid and base. Every salt will have one metallic component and one non-metallic component. Okay, children, this is a small discussion about the salts. Okay, children, salts, so many times they are asking 3 marks question. Last time I'm saying what is a 3-mark question? They will give one salt. They will ask what from which base it is coming, from which acid it is coming, what type of salt. 3 marks you get, children, if you write copper hydroxide, comma, weak base, sulfuric acid, strong acid. So you have to write third point, because it is forming from weak base and strong acid, it is acidic salt. Like this, they will ask in examinations. Okay, I hope everyone are copying in page number 28 and 29, children. NCERT book 2.13, 2.14 activities. pH of salts and family of salts are given. Okay, please keep copying, children.